10 o'clock at night, and I am about to record a video. I just got off of work at 9:20 something, and I just wanted to record a video for you guys. Okay guys, so you can see by the title that today's video is going to be a refresher on the classic. So I have some face masks, and I'm going to do an entire Tony Moly series. I have 8 of them. They're all Tony Moly face masks, and I'm not sure when they're going to come out, but I'm going to have a few, well, 8 face mask and chill videos coming up because you guys seem to like those. But to kick it off, I'm starting with the Porcare red wine sheet mask. And this red wine mask is supposed to tighten uneven skin texture with large pores. And I have all of that. All of this needs to be tightened. It's very uneven. Well, it's actually getting better since I've been using my Visionaire Crescendo, which I am almost done with phase 1. And guys, drop a comment if you want to hear more about that product. But yeah, my skin is really lightened dramatically. So I'm also going to be mukbanging since I didn't eat anything today. So I'm gonna drink me some peach tea from Applebee's and also some water because that doesn't quench my thirst. And I got myself some mozzarella sticks. Let me open that. Mozzarella sticks, half price apps at Applebee's, y'all. Not sponsored, wish I was. And some buffalo boneless wings. This is like my favorite meal in life. These buffalo boneless wings, they're the best. So this is what I'm going to be eating. Let me go ahead and get my face mask on. Just to add another element to wearing the face mask, because you know I always talk when I have it on and that gets awkward. Now I'm going to eat and talk while I have my face mask on. So you open it from the bottom, and my face is already clean from the bottom. Ooh, it's juicy. It splashed me. And we're going to pull it out. Whoa. Pull the mask out. That smells really good. Smells like a sangria. So just going to unfold it. A super duper juicy mask. And we leave it on for 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. Wait, let me pull this little piece of hair back. This is a new wig I just got, y'all, and I don't know how I feel about it. It's supposed to be human hair and everything. Okay, I don't think I'm going to be able to eat with this thing on my face. Oh yes I am. It feels so good, y'all. After a long day at work. I only worked 3 hours, by the way. They cut my hours like way back. Pull it on my nose flap. This might be some like freaky ASMR stuff right here. I'm just wiping this on my robe. I'm gonna just rub this stuff down my neck. It smells really good. Let me get a sip of tea. And I'm gonna sanitize my hands so I can eat. Okay, that flap will have to go up. This is a really thick, what is this little piece that goes across your top lip? Is really thick from the ones that I've used before. They haven't been this thick. The mouth hole is pretty small. Let's dig in. Got my mozzarella sauce. I said mozzarella sauce. My marinara sauce, honey, because you can't have mozzarella sticks without marinara. Oh, there might be too much motion for this mask. Alright, so all my old subscribers that are still watching my videos, do y'all miss this series? I miss it. It was so relaxing. Oh gosh, me and this mask gonna fight. Yeah, do y'all miss this series? Because I never really get to do, since I started working, I don't get to do much at all. So good. They give you ranch, but I don't eat ranch. I'm weird. Oh, I done got some barbecue sauce on my mask. I need to get some red wine in this tea, which I have literally drank it halfway. Like it's almost gone. It's good. I'm gonna start drinking waters now. Yeah. So I'm still wearing the Smile Direct Club not retainers. I keep calling them retainers. The little braces. And I have a coupon code. You get 50% off of your first impression kit. And I think it was in my last video. I didn't realize that you got 15% off when you use that link. So if you guys want to try it out, definitely use the link below to get 50% off your first impression kit. Because it's definitely worth it. So far, I feel like it's only working for my top teeth because the bottom row is just too far gone. I'm going to have to get actual braces for that. But so far, they feel like they're really working. I'm on week 3, I think. I'm just gonna end up eating this mask. Look at my top lip. Six. And these are our other options. We have the I'm Real charcoal mask. You guys know charcoal masks are my favorites. So we got the I'm Real charcoal mask. And that's pore care. Then we have the I'm Real pomegranate mask. And that's for elasticity. The I'm Real lemon mask, which is for brightening. It makes dull and dark skin look radiant. We have the I'm Real green tea mask, which brightens skin tone with a freshness of the earth. And that's skin purifying. And then we have the revitalizing rose mask, which provides revitalizing energy to tired skin. And lastly, we have the I'm Real honey mask, which is deep and nourishing for tired skin. And all of their masks have like this technology or whatever. I don't know if you guys can see that, but how they make their sheets, it's like thicker, so it like holds more liquid. Like, I mean, and you can really feel the difference. Like other sheet masks feel so thin, and like the product is dried up within the first 10 minutes. And this mask is still juicy on my face. Which one do you guys want to see me try next? Let me know in the comments below, or I'm just gonna pick one myself. It probably won't be a mukbang with it next time though. This is just to kick off the series. Since it's a Korean face mask, why not do a mukbang? Yeah, guys, I'm one of those people. When I'm eating something good, I always gotta go, Oh, I don't rip the mask trying to eat them wings. Make sure that lays a little flatter there. There we go. But if you guys are new to my channel and you made it thus far, you might as well subscribe and keep up with the series. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things, but having a job, do I really need to explain how tiresome it is? Look at that part when I chew. Almost done. Now I'm gonna be honest. I could probably eat all of these buffalo wings, but I never finish my mozzarella sticks. I usually get extra. Oh, I forgot to get extra buffalo sauce because they don't ever put enough buffalo sauce on these for me. I'm gonna refresh myself with some celery. That's probably the ugliest way you've ever seen someone eat celery, right? Comment that down below. I got 4 wings left. And 4 mozzarella sticks. The peach tea is all gone. Time to start back drinking water. I swear I only get thirsty at night. Like all day I'll go without drinking. And then at night, like I'm gagging for water. See, you see how juicy this mask still is? Like if I rub it, it sticks to my face. Other masks would have just dried up. I'm full. I'm gonna get the rest of these. I'm done with these. There's 3 of them. I'm gonna see if somebody in this house wants them. I can't eat them anymore. But I'm gonna finish these too. I think the secret to eating horrible food and still having good skin is balancing it with drinking water. But I feel like when you balance out your horrible eating with water, it's a little more forgiving on your skin. Oh, it's been 20 minutes, so I guess it's time for the face mask to come off. Look at that barbecues all over my fingers. Sanitize my hands. Don't want to rub barbecue sauce into my skin. Buffalo sauce. And we're going to peel for the big reveal. That feels good. And this is the mask after it came off. A few rips where I was eating my buffalo wings and a little buffalo sauce. And what I'm going to do is take the little juice out of the pack and just rub that into my skin. Which you're supposed to rub that on top of the mask. But I think my skin needs this extra TLC. Just rub what's left into your skin. And as you can tell, half of my eyebrows missing because I was trying out that thing where if you shave your hair, it grows back better, I guess. We'll know in 3 weeks. Okay. Yeah, and I bought some dye. Because this wig, you know when you get like human hair, it always comes in this basic brown color. And brown just doesn't look good on me. Not this brown at least. Oh, this baby need a brush. See, this is what I'm saying. This is supposed to be human hair. Human hair don't do this. I'm gonna do a separate review on this hair though, because it's crazy. Look at that. You human hair. I spent $100 on you. Why you doing this? Why you do beehive? Anyway, I'm gonna dye it. I probably shouldn't how it's acting, but I'm gonna dye it black. I got a soft black hair dye. I'm gonna dye it probably tomorrow while I'm off, because I'm off tomorrow. Praise the Lord. But the verdict on the red wine face mask by Tony Moly, I like it. I am excited about this series because that legit felt amazing. Even though I was eating and chewing and talking the whole time, I thoroughly enjoyed it. I'm full. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a review on my necklace as well. Look at that. Isn't it cute? So that is the end of this mukbang / well, face mask and chill Tony Moly edition with a mukbang. So let me know what you want to see on this channel. Let me know which face mask you guys want to see next. And I will see y'all in the next video. It's time for me to go to bed. It's late, 8 o'clock. Peace out, honeys. It's so late. What am I even doing? Peace out, honeys, though. Like, for real. Got to go to bed. Good night.